Hello friends, today we will look into composition in Java. So we know that Java is an object-oriented programming language and composition is a core concept of object-oriented programming language. So in real life, an object can be made of some other objects. So we can say that has a relationship between different type of objects. For example, if you see this image, so car can be an object, whereas an engine is also an object. But every car has an engine. So we can say that car and engine, they are having this has a relationship. So this is a case of composition, and in Java it is implemented using instance variables. So let's see this with a simple example. Okay, so let's suppose this is my car class. So right now I am not using composition. So let's say my car has some properties like color, number of tires, then engine type, engine name and engine power. So as you can see that all these variables we can't reuse it in some other objects. But if all these three variables like engine type, name and power, they are part of engine, so we can create a new class such as engine and move this to engine class. So here is my engine class and I can move this variables to engine class, and then in my car I can say private engine. So here the car is made of certain properties plus engine, whereas engine is made of engine type, name and power. So here we are implementing has a relationship between car and engine using an instance variable. Okay, so the next thing is code reuse. So since we are creating engine as a separate class, we can reuse it in some other classes also. For example, we can have a truck class, and there also we can reuse the same engine class as instance variable. So in that way, we are having code reusability in our application. The final point is hide visibility to client classes. So we can implement the car in such a way that the engine class is not visible to client classes. This is totally the choice of our implementation. Let's see how we will do it. Okay, so here is my implementation of car class where I am having this private engine variable as instance. But if you see, there is no getter and setters for engine object. Why? Because I want to hide the implementation from outer world. So I have this constructor where I am passing engine type, name and power, then creating the engine object and setting all these values here. And then I am having these getters to get the engine type, name and power. So now if somebody has to use this, so let's say how it can be used. So here is one simple main method, and if I have to create the instance of car, so I'll say car C is equal to new car. Let's say color is red, number of tires is 4, engine type is V8, engine name is Chevy, and let's say engine power is 320 bhp. Yeah, so for this main method I'm creating this car object, and if I have to get the car engine power, then I'll say c dot get engine power. So the engine is totally invisible to the outer world here. So this is one of the additional benefit of using composition, because you can control the access to different variables or methods in this class. Yeah, so that's all for a quick tutorial of composition in Java. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.